A rainy start to the day, and those rain chances will hang on, but not going to be raining the entire time. An off and on shower here as we go through the afternoon hours. I think by the afternoon commute, especially if you leave a little bit later, things will improve for you. We'll get rid of those rain chances around dinner time or so. Temperatures basically will be falling throughout the day. Maybe the mid-60s is all we're going to see for the Treasure Coast. Near 70, but pretty much the upper 60s throughout the day in Palm Beach County. It will be a chilly night tonight. Check it out. Low temperatures down into the mid-50s for the Treasure Coast to near 60 for the Palm Beaches, so it'll be a cool start to your Valentine's Day tomorrow morning. Boating forecast, small craft advisory, that wind cranking out of the north, 15 to 20. Seas will be building 2, inland waters becoming choppy. Beach forecast, rip current threat will be increasing throughout the day, and that will spread into tomorrow also as the wind turns more northeast. 7-day forecast, Valentine's Day looks beautiful, cool in the morning, mid-70s for highs in the afternoon, exactly where we should be this time of year. Sunshine throughout the afternoon too, and a nice breeze blowing then. Friday the wind calms down, 79 for a high. We're going to see still nice weather continuing. Into the weekend too, we're looking at high temperatures mainly into the mid-80s. So the cold front that was coming is now going to stall to our north and will stay warm and humid.